Oh, Staph Aureus, my old friend, you've come to be in me again, because a fissure deep in my skin left you creeping while I was sleeping, and now infection that is planted in my leg still remains. It's osteomyelitis. From restless dreams I wake, I'm cold. Logo infection, I am told. Neath the periosteum it grows into my marrow, oh, it makes me moan. Nurse takes a swab and gives me something for my pain that still remains. It's osteomyelitis, and in the microscope they saw 10,000 microbes, maybe more. Nurses talking to me, speaking, what can we do to keep you from weeping? I say, oh please, just cure me of this pain with PCA for osteomyelitis. Doctor says it looks quite old, silent with involcrum growth. Hear my words that I might teach you. Stay off that leg so we might heal you. Antibiotics for at least 3 weeks you'll have in a bag for osteomyelitis. And so in the bed I lay, ciprofloxacin I take. In a few weeks I should be like new, but surgery is indicated for few. They say I won't have to lose my leg today, which is great with osteomyelitis.